Yeah, last week we
Yeah.
played a video.
Yeah, we
Can we
did.
play that video again for you, or for everybody, or no?
Should we? Yeah, we should. How long is it? A minute and a half? Yeah. Okay, people,
Yeah,
please
something
watch
like
this.
that.
This is like super
Let's.
important.
Yeah, this is some huge news happening right now. So
Yeah,
there you go.
right.
Hold on a second. We'll be right back.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Jeff says, Sergio, next week, a pink hat and a shirt. No, man. No.
Well, you know what? Here's the thing. Here's the deal. If David Risher comes on to the show,
Hell yeah.
We will wear our pink.
Guaranteed.
I'll wear my 1K jacket, or
I
do have a Lyft pink T-shirt. Actually, I just don't know where it is. I think it's in storage.
You have the mustache?
No, I don't have the mustache. I have a T-shirt. When I did when I was a DAC member
I'll
on
put
Lyft.
the mustache on the back of me. David Risher, if you're watching, if you're coming on, send me one of those mustache. I'll put it right behind me. Background. There you go. Send me one of those mustache. Mr. Risher, thank you so much for the swag bag. Much appreciated. Now I'm going to go do a few trips. Let's see what Lyft passengers think about the pink mustache. Let's go, Mr. Risher. See you soon. Look what I have to go through to get you on Show Me the Money Club for an insightful conversation. Open invitation. Now, if I do get a ticket with this thing on my car, I am sending you the bill.
All right, so we played that because Sergio got the pink mustache, so it was pretty interesting to see. And literally right after the show ended, I sent him that video that I made, and he tweeted that out. So this is what happened. So, Twitter is an amazing little tool here, because we said, hey, everybody go out there and if you got a Twitter, tweet at him and see if you can get him on Show Me the Money Club. So Sergio tweeted this out. And we also asked you guys, what do you think? 1 or 2, if you think Risher would come on. Well, we got news for you guys. We are going to have Mr. David Risher on Show Me the Money Club live. That's right. He's going to come on, and we're making it happen, guys. We're making it happen. So, Sergio, how do you liking that?
Man, you know what? I was like, I tweeted it. Nothing happened for like overnight. Next morning, I'm like a little child at Christmas. You know what I mean? I go,
you text me right away. You're like, oh my God, look at
this. First of all, I knew this was going to happen because Mr. Risher and the head of Lyft Comms started following me on Twitter. Right? I'm going like, yes, this is going to happen. It's going to happen. And then, sure enough, half hour later, he said, challenge accepted. DM me and we'll work it out. And we're working it out. So,
yep. So the original tweet, just to say, it says, open invitation to the CEO of Lyft, Mr. David Risher, to come on a live stream at the RideShare Guy channel. It's like no limit, Texas Hold'em. He called and raised. Now we're all in. 2 choices are up on the table: fold or show up. Check this out. And right after he responded,
and then I said, if there's a will, there's a way. I responded to his public. Now we've been DMing. Okay. So you guys know, I cannot show the other part up top, but on this one, it's part of the DM, which we can show. He goes, hi, Sergio. Great to hear from you. And, glad you enjoyed the swag. I did. I am using it right there. And I have a lot to learn from you. Now, if he means half of what he just says there, okay, I think we have a really great thing coming. Because I think if he does show up, Chris, I think all the other ones will follow. And it is not going to be this kumbaya, let me hug you, blah, blah, blah kind of a thing. He knows that. I know that. Everybody at Lyft knows that. What's going to be is that we're going to ask these interesting, important questions, right? because I'm going to just become the mouthpiece of the driver. Basically, that's it. That's, I'm going to listen. I know what the problems are. We're just going to go, hey, let's build a bridge. Let's keep this going. Let's have the communication lines open, and let's help these drivers, because this is what the actual drivers want. Not your, driver advisory council, none of this stuff. They're all Kool-Aid drinkers. Here, we are working for the driver. We're driver's advocates. And these are the problems, Mr. Risher. It's up to you to fix it. And then if you don't fix it, we'll call you out afterwards. And I think this was great. So, Mr. Risher, thank you so much. We're going to set it up.
We appreciate
whenever
that. And
he's traveling in June, but hopefully next month or whenever. Open invitation, as we said.
We don't, just to let everybody know watching in the replay, we will definitely let you guys know exactly when that's going to happen, so you can come on and kind of watch it in real time if you'd like, or watch the replay, whatever it might be. But we will definitely let you know. We just don't have a time and date nailed down just yet, but once we do, we will definitely let you know. So it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be a lot of fun. And he texted me that morning, and I was just getting back from walking my dog, and I'm like, holy shit, it's actually going to happen, huh?
It's happening, baby.
So
it's happening.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So Lyft, David, we'll be looking forward to having you guys on, and we can have a good conversation, figure some things out, hopefully fix some things, and or at least get some more information. So it's information.
You know what?
Is always good. So
I think this is great. You know what? For him for a CEO of a multi-billion-dollar company to show up on Show Me the Money after a year of existence says quite a bit of who we are, what we've done, what we've shown to do. Okay. So for all the followers, all the audience, this couldn't have happened without you guys, because you guys became my eyes and ears. The community is growing every single day. It's growing, and our voices are getting louder, so we're going to get places. Things like this don't happen to other people. Okay. I mean, CEOs don't have a tendency of showing up at a live stream. Okay. But to me, that's a feather in our cap. That's not the point. The point is we're trying to help. We're trying to create a dialogue, because the perception of these companies in the driver community is horrible, Chris. It's horrible. And I think we can work on this. We can fix it. And on good faith on our part, good faith on his part, we'll have a great conversation, and we'll put the problems on the table, and we'll move on.
Yeah. Well, not only that though, we had another. I mean, like I said, Twitter is an amazing tool.
I don't know.
We had another $1 billion CEO responding to a comment.
Yeah. Donnie, are you here, Donnie?
Here you go. Donnie, I know you were in here earlier.
I know you were in here. So this is yesterday. My article came out yesterday on our Donnie Disco, who truly is a gem. His video is up. He's doing really well, the interview. And then my article showed up, and I tweeted, and I said, and the headline of the article is this: Donnie truly has 100% AR and 0% CR. And he's from Biloxi, Mississippi. He's an ambassador of his city, an amazing gentleman, Southern gentleman. And we had a great interview. We put the interview up. When the article came out, I tweeted it. And I tagged DK, Andrew Mack, number two, and the Sachin, who I've interviewed before. So lo and behold, Mr. DK, Dara Koshoshai, says, watched your interview. Amazing person, life story, and an incredible Uber driver. Yes, I agree with you, DK. I think Donnie is an amazing human being, an amazing Uber driver. You guys are lucky to have drivers like this. And then the conversation continued. I mentioned all the other drivers on our system. So now we have a little dialogue going on. And I'm going like, well, I'm going to stick it right in there, bro. Because, look, as you may all know, DK was born in Iran, right? And the city he was born was pretty close to where my mother-in-law, rest her soul, was born. So I go, slip it in there, Chris, And I said, my mother-in-law, rest her soul, was born in Tabriz, Iran. Besides RideShare, we have a lot more in common than you think. Open invitation. So Mr. Dara Koshoshai, this is your open invitation. Okay. Now, Mr. Risher said yes. And at some point, I am sure we're going to have you on as well. And all we're doing is creating a bridge, creating a dialogue, because I think drivers are just thirsty for getting their voices out. And, look, it helps to have the mainstream media on your side. A couple of weeks ago, the major article in LA Times, another one that's coming up next week, by the way, Chris. So, and this is, it's just, you know what, we're just going to keep doing what we do. And people are listening, people are watching, and people are understanding that we're here for a reason. And the reason is to help drivers. Can we get things done? Look at Uber as a 75 billion global empire. Look at it as like a huge oil tanker in the marina. These companies cannot just turn, 360. They will hit every house, every boat in the marina. Things happen slowly. And I know you guys are impatient. You guys want things to happen yesterday. But it is what it is. You got to take it the way it is. But at least now we can have a dialogue. We can have an open line of communication with these CEOs. And maybe we can do stuff. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.